lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you're doing well today. Welcome to this week's Motivation Monday, and it's a biggie. I had like 4 or 5 hours with an empty house, no boys, and it's school holidays, so that is a real rarity, and I decided to clean the entire house top to bottom without leaving any rooms untouched. So I'm starting upstairs in the bedrooms, and I'm starting in my eldest son's bedroom. My eldest son is 6 years old, so his room is jam-packed full of bits and pieces like this, as you can see, which makes dusting take a little bit longer because you have to work around everything. But I'm just going to organize his room a little bit, get rid of some things that he doesn't need in there anymore, and have a really good tidy up, sort out and polish. The duster that you can see me using here is the Flash Dust Magnet, which is amazing. My favorite duster by far, and perfect if you're working around things like that. Next, I'm moving into our dressing room, which is technically, I guess, the second bedroom of the house. And again, I'm just using my Flash Duster to go over all of the surfaces in our wardrobe, which seem to attract so much dust. And I'm using the Fabulosa polish and a microfiber cloth to do my dressing table surface, just because I need something a bit more heavy duty on here where it has a few marks from makeup and bits like that. Into the third bedroom, and it's my youngest son's bedroom. He is 2 years old. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I have to empty out his wash basket every time because he fills it with toys. It's one of his favorite things to do, so I have to sort through, get the toys out, put the washing back in, and sort all of that mess out first. Then I'm using my Flash Duster to go over all of the surfaces. The quickest and most efficient way, if you have a lot of rooms to do like me, your Flash Duster is your best friend. I'm also just going to sort out and reorganize this corner quickly. It's looking a bit messy and I just want to reorganize it a little bit. So I'm just going to move the toys and things around, make it more accessible for Cooper, and make it look a bit neat and tidy. Okay, into the fourth bedroom, and it is our master bedroom. Again, I'm going to go over all the surfaces with the Flash Duster. It's quick and it's efficient. I've not got a lot more cleaning in here to do, to be honest. It's pretty neat and tidy. So I'm just going to move across into our fifth bedroom, which is the spare bedroom. It's full of toys from the toy rotation that I've been doing over the summer. So I've just sorted those out. I'm just going to dust the surfaces and just have a little bit of a tidy up in here. This bedroom does also have an ensuite, as does our bedroom, so that's why I often have a lot of bathrooms to do. Speaking of bathrooms, I'm going to go into the family bathroom now, the boys' bathroom, and I'm going to have a good deep clean in here. First thing I need to do is clear the bath of toys, which if you have kids, you'll know your bath is constantly full of toys. And I'm using the Cif bathroom foam. I love to use this if I really want to give the bath a really good clean. It comes out really thick and foamy, and then I just use a cleaning microfiber cloth to wipe down the surfaces, and it always leaves the bath looking and smelling really fresh. I want to get into all the nooks and crannies today, so I'm going to take off my little acrylic shelf here and make sure that this is all being cleaned as well. Next up, it's the boys' sink, which is always covered in toothpaste. I'm going to use a Flash bathroom spray here and a microfiber cloth and go over the surface of the sink, getting rid of any toothpaste marks and making it nice and clean and shiny. And I'm going to use the same bathroom spray, but obviously a fresh cloth to do the toilet as well. Working extra hard on this toilet. This is the boys' main bathroom, so I'm going to make sure that I've done a really good job here. I'm also going to treat the bathroom to a fresh Febreze air freshener. You just push the button at the back and it lasts for about 60 days, a couple of months I would say, and it always smells super good. And I'm going to use my spray mop, which I always forget that I have, and it's so quick and efficient. It has floor cleaner already in there, so I just spray and mop the floor and it's done in minutes. I have 3 more bathrooms to clean. I've got 2 en suites and the downstairs toilet, but I haven't filmed those bits because honestly it's literally just a repetition of just what you've seen me do, so there's no point filming that 3 more times. But next up I'm going to do the vacuuming upstairs. I'm going to go through all of the bedrooms that you've just seen me clean with the vacuum cleaner and go over all of the carpets. Right, I have moved downstairs now and I'm going to start in the kitchen. I'm going to use my Lysol wipes. I get these from Amazon if you're wondering where they're from. And I'm going to just quickly use these to go over the kitchen surfaces. Next up, the patio doors in the kitchen have really been irritating me. They're really grubby with little fingerprints all over them. So I'm just using a soap daddy that is filled with a soapy, watery mixture. And I'm just going to use this to go over all of the glass. Then I rub it down with a tea towel. And finally, I buff it with a dry microfiber cloth. And in just a few minutes, the windows are sparkling and clear. I do have a Karcher window vac that I absolutely love, but it's stopped working and I cannot get it to work and I can't bring myself to buy a new one. So this method is having to do for now. Into the comfy living room, as my son calls it now, I'm just going to tidy up a little bit in here. It's looking a little bit of a mess just from us living in it last night, really. I've got my trusty flash dust magnet, which is perfect for this room because there are bits and pieces and trinkets and photo frames everywhere. It just gently glides around and behind everything, meaning I don't have to move anything out of the way. It gets it all done really quickly and efficiently. And one of my least favourite jobs to do, I'm going to mop my hard floors downstairs. I'm going to give them a proper mop with my Veleda spin mop. I have put some Flash floor cleaner in this bucket with some hot water. I think I used the French soap Flash floor cleaner, which by the way smells incredible. And I'm going to use the the Veleda spin mop to just go over all of the hard floors in my entire downstairs. It is a big job. I am absolutely sweating by the end of this, which is why I hate doing this so much. But the house always smells and looks so lovely and clean after I've done it. I'm always glad that I've done it, but I do have to work myself up to doing it. And there's my reward. That is so satisfying, seeing that dirty water all flushed down the toilet. Now the next thing I want to do is wipe down inside of our pantry because it's looking super grubby on the shelves. So I'm just using a Zaflora surface spray and a clean cloth, and I'm going to wipe down all of the surfaces in here, get rid of any grubby marks or any dust that has gathered. If you're wondering where this is actually in my utility room. This was a useless space under the stairs that we decided to transform into a little mini pantry, and honest to God, it has changed my storage kitchen solutions completely. It's the best thing that I've done in this house, I think. And here's my reward. I don't have to get the boys for another 45 minutes. So I get to sit down for 45 minutes with chocolate buttons and watch my program. Isn't that amazing? It was all worth it. Guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one.